today I got the BLU Vivo XL3 on deck. A blue device, bold like us. Wanted to check it out. Seen this device just dropped. Under 200 bucks. You're getting facial recognition, 18:9, and I'm about to check out the build as we speak. So this is the unboxing on BG Tech Life. So let's check it out. Okay, so we're going to straight get to the unboxing, but let's just take a look at the box. It's got a cool little design on it, some black, some matte black, and some chrome designs on it. Remind me of a zebra, bold like us, blue branding. And you know, a lot of these carriers, or a lot of the American people, or the people in the United States, are being, you know, pushed away from some of these devices from overseas. But I'm trying it out. I wanted to try more budget stuff this year, so let's go ahead and give it a try. And this, the specs actually on the box are a little bit hard to catch because they're in chrome finish, but it is a 5.5 HD 18:9 screen, Gorilla Glass 3, 720 by 1440 resolution for 239 PPI, powerful quad-core 1.3 gigahertz processor, 64-bit, 32 gigs on the internal memory, 3 gigs of RAM, 13 pixel main shooter, 8 megapixel selfie shooter with blue final touch, advanced security, a fingerprint sensor. You can put a micro SD card up in here up to 64 gigabytes. It's 4G LTE, high speed, 3000 milliamp battery, and it comes with Oreo 8.0. So that's definitely dope. Comes with Oreo 8.0. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just get it up out the box. As you can see what it comes with. Got my little unboxing knife, put some slits in this tape. Pull the box up like so. Typical cell phone box. Okay, so this is what's on display. It looks a little off. I don't know if it's supposed to be. Oh, it's like a ramp almost. Or maybe the shipping messed it up. I don't know. But here we go. We got the device and some packaging. As you can see, it's advertising the 18:9 5.5 HD display. I'm gonna go ahead and take the phone up out of here. So I was curious about this back. It's not a bad finish. Some type of metal finish on the back. Aluminum frame. Very shiny. Reminds me of like a silver. Like maybe like if the U11 came in silver. It looks like it's a dual camera system, but it's not actually a dual camera system. It's a camera and a flash. So you can see camera and the flash. Got your fingerprint sensor on the back. Speaker is rear firing. But we're gonna just sit this to the side, see what else is in the box. And we're using micro USB on this device. Micro USB. You're getting some free headphones on the device. What else do we got in this box? Got some blue stickers. Now, depending on how this device works, we'll say we put the stickers anywhere. SIM card removal tool. You get the adapter, and you get a free case that looks like the box. As you can see, got the blue bold like us box on deck. And what is this? A screen protector. Screen protector from BLU. So that's what you're getting in the box. This device, I paid $189 for it over on Amazon. I put the link in the description. But I mean, it's getting, you got the 18:9 ratio, getting 3 gigs. You getting 8 megapixel selfie camera. So we definitely gonna check it out. Nice build though. Very sturdy on the build. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the stickers. Go ahead and remove these stickers. Let's see. It's kind of slipping. One sticker gone. Another sticker gone. Nice 18 by 9. Come with a pre-installed. It looks like it's already a tempered glass pre-installed on here. Already a tempered glass pre-installed on here. So you got your power button. See, you got your power button going on. Then you got your volume up and down. Volume up and down power button. That's the light a little bit. And on this side, you got what looks to be your SIM tray and SIM removal tool. So that's definitely, something nice that you would need. Micro USB, headphone jack, and some type of speaker. I'm gonna go ahead and just power it up one time for y'all. Bold like us, definitely a budget device right here. Trying to see if there's any type of budget killer. Very nice build though. It's going, so you can see it's getting some fingerprints, but a very nice. It's not plastic. Back is some type of metal. It's not aluminum. Some type of metal with a really nice finish. I really like this finish. It has a sheen to it. Reminds me of the finishes on the U11s, like I said. And I missed the startup, showing y'all the finish. Oh yeah, well, we seen the startup. Bold like us. Let's go. I'm gonna skip the inserting the SIM card. Set up as a fresh start. See, we're gonna fresh start setup. Hook it up to my neck gear. Accept and continue. So yeah, I like the build. Definitely like the build. Let me see this fingerprint placement. It's facial recognition. Nice fingerprint placement. Nice fingerprint placement. You got some blue branding on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and put my information in. Y'all talk amongst yourselves. I'm not gonna pause it. Nice feedback on the keyboard. It's a nice vibrating motor in this device. Put my information in and it's giving me nice little feedback. Like the way that feels. Have a nice, let me give it a second. Okay, I agree. Let's try and get to the start screen for y'all. See what it's looking like. Okay, I'm going to add the fingerprint. It's asked me to add the fingerprint and put a pattern with my fingerprint. Put my pattern in real quick. Pattern, continue, pattern, confirm. So here we go. I'm about to set the fingerprint up on this device. Boom, boom. Touching all over the place. Try and get it nice and set up on my fingerprint. Just touch the fingerprint sensor to wake up and unlock your device. That's nice. So if it's off, I should be able to cut it on by just touching the fingerprint sensor. No thanks. Okay, all set. Okay, this is what the home screen is looking like. And this is Android Oreo. Let's go ahead and check that out. Let's go into settings. Let me take y'all to the settings. Show y'all Android. I'm going to put this in airplane mode for everything. Start popping up on screen. Airplane mode. Take y'all to the settings. About device. And let me see. Hardware. Android 8.0. Oreo out the box. As you can see, the Oreo. And you see the capacitive buttons kind of take up some of the screen. Okay. So yeah, I like the build on this device. I wish it was a little bigger. I'm used to dealing with bigger devices. But not a bad looking device. You get a fingerprint scanner and Oreo under $200 and some free stuff in the box, case and all. But I'm just checking it out. It's your man BG Tech Life. I'll be back with a real first impressions. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. This your man BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.